How'd everybody's day go? Something exciting that you did today. Come on. Anybody riding bikes? Anybody try the mountain bike course out? All right. Very good.
Due to popular demand, the Cope course is filled up for free time this week. However, I'm going to do 2 sessions of Cope. One right after dinner, about 6:45. So if you want to see me, I'll be at the mess hall. By me, I can sign up to about 24 people. And then, depending on the demand, also maybe...
If we all use our imagination again, and all those trees aren't there, we have our beautiful mountain, Talkowitz. We're going to be doing a hike up Talkowitz on Friday morning. We're going to be meeting up at the food line at 5 o'clock. Neil's going to have breakfast ready for us. We're going to be departing at 5:30. I'm looking at the list. There's a lot of people on it.
We have a public service announcement from the aquatics department. Is that right?
Walk.
Oh, no. Roma's down.
Aquatics reminds you to not run in camp. You're going to run to a fall. So what do we have to call?
According to the board, Troop 2000 is supposed to do grace tonight. Can I have someone from Troop 2000 or all of you come forward? However you're doing it.
Please prepare yourselves that you are accustomed to.
Loud and proud.
Lord in heaven, thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for our families. Bless the less fortunate. Bless our family, friends. Be with our families as they go home today. Bless this food and all the hands that prepared it. Amen.
Amen. Thank you very much.